Welcome to Let's Build It. My name's Betsy Edwards, and in this video I will show you how to build your own compost tumbler to save money. I decided to build a 2-tumbler composting system, so when the first tumbler's full and naturally composting, I have a second tumbler to continue to fill up. The first thing I did was to search for and find food-grade barrels to use. I was able to find these for $25 a piece on Facebook. Once I had the barrels, I got started on the frame that I made with 2x4 pressure-treated lumber. First, I put together the cross-end supports. I cut 2 pieces 36 inches long and aligned them side by side so I could mark the center of the boards at 18 inches. I then aligned the boards into a T and confirmed that the distance between the ends at the top and the bottom were equal. Then fastened the boards with 3-inch decking screws. Next, install the upper and lower lateral supports. There are 4 lateral support members cut 48 inches long. Remember to install on the outside legs first, then on the inside legs so that the max length of the frame ends up at 48 inches. Now install 4 horizontal supports to stabilize the frame. I cut mine to 27 inches long. Install a 32-inch long 2x4 on the outside edge of the upper lateral supports. Then install caster wheels, 2 on each side. The wheels will enable the barrel to rotate smoothly. One thing I learned with this project is that the weight of the barrel increases as the yard waste matures into compost. So to solve for this, I installed 2 48-inch 2x4s under the barrel to provide the extra support. Next, we want to prep the tumbler by installing the loading door and drilling the air holes. To make the loading door, draw an 11 by 13 rectangle and with a 1/2-inch drill bit, drill holes in the lower corners. Then using a small circular saw, cut through along your mark line on the sides and along the bottom, and then score with a razor blade along the top mark line to create a natural hinge. Install a doorstop. I used 1/8-inch flexible PVC board that I had laying around, however any plastic waterproof material would work just fine. Then install a 3.5-inch latch to help keep the door shut and compost in when you turn the barrel. After you install the door latch, measure and notch out a section on the barrel supports to allow for clearance when the barrel is rotated. I read that compost needs both moisture and air to mature properly, so to facilitate air circulation, drill 1/2-inch air holes about 6 inches apart all the way around the barrel and on both ends. Once the compost is mature and ready to use, my plan is to remove the lid and dump into a wheelbarrow so I can easily transport to my targeted location. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful and will subscribe to my channel for more building projects and tips.